So that's just run off straight gasoline? Straight gasoline?
I put a little oil.
That's crazy.
Anything. There's one guy that has built the whole thing.
Oh yeah.
I can't wait. I go to a show in Detroit every year. And I can't wait to go next year. There's a guy down there building a 32 Ford pickup. It's going to be hot rod.
A real one. Full size.
No. How long? He's got the motor already built at a reference of a 302.
Okay.
It runs beautifully. He's got the 3-speed granny built. He's got the differential all built.
Wow.
He's got some other parts made, so I can't wait. You know what a Lucifer car is?
I heard of it.
Most expensive car that was ever built.
Yeah, wasn't that four wheels in the front?
They were called the 20 grand. When cars were $600 to $1,000, you paid $20,000 for Lucifer, and all you got was the chassis and the engine. You had to have your body built. This guy in St. Louis spent 10 years building one. It was 32 inches long. Complete in every detail the same as the real one.
Wow.
Jay Leno has about 5 of them. Worth anywhere from $1 to $5 million each.
Wow.